Hey guys, I want to show you something. I'm just bringing my lunch out here in this beautiful, quiet space. We have a swing with the pond, and I want to say none of this would be a part of my reality right now if I didn't have the confidence to believe in myself, to follow through with my dreams, to continue to reach out and to speak to people about living happier and healthier lives. If this is what you're looking for, more confidence, more direction, because you have more clarity in your life and living a life of abundance, whether that means having your lunch outside by the pond, playing with the pets, even just being outside, but being able to create that on your own terms, you definitely want to pop into this workshop. It is absolutely free. It starts Monday. The plan is Monday to Thursday. I might have to make a change to Thursday. We'll get there. So Monday to Thursday next week is the plan. It will be recorded, but you do need to register. So for anybody that does register, I'm asking for 15 minutes of your time. I am delivering 4 amazing days of content, and I am asking you for 15 minutes of your time at the beginning. So ideally before it starts or early next week, so I can ask you 5 questions that I will address during the workshop. This is a very exciting opportunity. This will be the last time we do this workshop absolutely free. So if you're looking for more clarity, more confidence in your life, join us for the Essentially You workshop that begins next week. Those are bees floating around. I don't know if you can see them, but they're not nice. I will attach the URL to the workshop on this. Have a great day.